In this video, I will be showing you how to fix common sign-in issues with Perplexity AI. Let's get started. When I run into trouble logging in, the first thing I check is my account type. Perplexity recommends using a Gmail or Apple account for the best experience, as other providers may face occasional compatibility issues. If I'm not seeing my login link, I start by checking my spam folder to make sure it hasn't been filtered out by mistake. I also ensure I'm clicking the most recent link sent to me, as older ones expire quickly for security reasons. It's crucial to open the login link on the same device I'm currently using for Perplexity. I also check if my email provider is blocking links or if an email scanner is active, which can sometimes interfere with the sign-in process. For the mobile app, I verify my phone settings allow Perplexity to launch via these links, and I try disabling my VPN if I have one running. I also make sure I'm using the latest version of the app for the best compatibility. If these troubleshooting steps don't work, I can always email the support team at support@perplexity.ai for further assistance. They are very responsive to user issues and can help resolve account-specific hurdles. To keep things simple in the future, using a Google or Apple account is usually the most reliable way to stay signed in and avoid these extra steps entirely. This ensures a smooth and uninterrupted experience every time I use the platform. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.